Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP is starting to push a little bit higher today, closer to that resistance area we talked about in the last video. At the moment, I'm tracking here a move to the downside. This looks a bit like a bearish flag, which could lead to another low. Highlighted to you in the last video that I'm not entirely sure if we're already in this wave 4 of this wave degree. We might be. We could also be in the, let's say, in this internal third still, but I've decided to leave it like this. And yeah, ideally in a wave 4, we don't even want it to break above the 50% retracement. We still added the 61.8 retracement just in case here a diagonal pattern is unfolding to the downside. But then this here wouldn't be a 5-wave move down. But that being said, you know, the microstructures are always a little bit messy. So for me, to indicate that a more bullish, more directly bullish scenario is unfolding, like for example, the yellow scenario, yeah, I want to see a break above 57.9 cents. I mean, as long as we stay below that, there's literally absolutely no evidence that a more bullish interpretation has to be favored. I have to say though, it looks as if we are going a little higher. We might test resistance, and then this will be the next decision area between 55 cents and 57.9. Best interpretation I can offer here is that we are in a B wave. In the white count, that's also what I prefer at the moment, but again, we have to be flexible with Elliott wave structures on the XRP chart, because this is literally just a sideways range, and without a clear 5-wave pattern in any direction, there isn't really that lighthouse on the chart that we need, right? So we usually need some kind of a landmark on the chart. From an Elliott wave point of view, that would be a 5-wave move so that we know where we are in the overall cycle. Best interpretation I can offer is that this is an A wave down. This is a B wave up, okay, which unfolded as an A, B, C structure itself, or even WXY. Probably rather WXY. Might need to change this actually. And then we're going down further here in wave C. Now, if we have a wave count like that, by the way, let me change that to WXY. I think that's how I had it be. Or, yeah, let's take that out for now. So it doesn't matter so much. So I just want to tidy this up a little bit. I think it's just important to understand that when we're dealing with a structure like that, like an A, B, C pattern, that the C wave tends to reach the 100% extension of the A wave. In this case, the A wave moved to the downside. In this case, then the C wave should also move to the downside and ideally reach the 100% extension, which is located at the 45 cent level. Okay, so that would be the first ideal target there to watch. Obviously, there seems to be some structural support here in the region around that previous swing low from the 6th of September, around 50 cents. Also a bit of a psychological level. And we had a swing low here as well in early in August. And the price is holding that at the moment. But doesn't really give me any evidence at the moment that something more bullish is playing out. The movement to the upside looks somewhat corrective. You could even probably draw here a mini bear flag. But again, that might break to the upside. I mean, the question is, do the Elliott waves, you know, win sort of, because a 4th wave should ideally reach sort of the 38.2 retracement. So it might give us a break to the upside of that flag pattern before we then go down further. Either way, it takes a break below that swing low from Thursday the 3rd at 50.7 cents as a good indication that the wave 5 to the downside has actually started. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.